Hi, I'm Carl. What I would say, what I took away from phase one was how emotional intelligence plays a role to all your delegates and everyone around you, whether it's personal or in your workplace, and how you can actually, if you find yourself in that, you can be better for everyone else around you. And then out of phase two, I would say the skills and methodologies to handle the, what do you call this, difficult situations or discussions that you don't necessarily look forward to, how to approach it and how to walk away from it as well. So yeah, I think that with the diverse group that we had, it was quite easy to get the feel of different people and how you would approach that situation. So that's me in a nutshell.
Thank you. Thank you.